Anon's women's specific WM1 full review coming up next. Hey everybody, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Mark from Anon to talk about the WM1 women's specific goggle, which we love. If you love us, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and maybe also check out our Instagram. And by the way, if you have any more questions and want to talk to a real human, you can call SportRx. We're really nice. We pick up the phone every time. There's not even a call tree. You don't have to press 2 or anything. Okay, so the WM1 is a women's specific goggle, which I love, and I know all the women at SportRx appreciate, and probably all the women watching this appreciate, because there's not a lot of companies making a stand and making actual women's specific models anymore.
For sure.
It's pretty rad.
It is. Yeah. You know, so we introduced Magnatech in our men's line, our unisex line, and we really wanted to do something that just brought a little more fashion to it, adjusted the fit a little bit for a women's specific face. So, you know, the WM1 has a women's specific face flange, and then just has some design details to bring a little more fashion to it than you'd find in products like our M2.
Yeah, it's awesome. And it does have the Magnatech technology, so it has a really quick, easy, interchangeable system. Anon doesn't believe that one lens is going to cut it because the conditions could be so different day to day, mountain to mountain, even on the same day.
Same day.
Morning ride, afternoon ride. So you're going to get in the box a darker lens for sunny conditions and a lighter lens for overcast conditions. And we actually did a whole video reviewing all the different Anon lenses. So if you want to try and pick out the right combination of lenses best for you, I would check out that video. So this is the WM1. I would say it's about an average women's, maybe small to medium women's fit. Not a huge goggle, but that's generally what a lot of women are looking for. It has the silicone bead on the inside, which is going to keep the goggle in place when you're wearing a helmet, which we recommend wearing a helmet.
Of course, yes.
Anon makes helmets that actually can match the goggle, which is pretty rad. Triple layer foam. The last layer of foam is going to be the outlast layer, which is moisture wicking and keeps all the kind of wetness away from you, which is really going to help prevent fogging. Speaking of fogging, this has a 5 times anti-fog compared to the industry standard.
Correct, yes.
So this thing's really hard to fog. So if you're really hot, it's going to work. It's pretty nice. And with the WM1 in the kit, you can either get it with an MFI or without, correct?
Yeah, so both configurations. You can buy it with an MFI face mask, or if you want to wait and get a face mask later, you have a face mask, or you want some of our different varieties, whether it's our wool face mask or our hooded face mask. We make a huge variety of face masks to cover everything from sunny summer days to the coldest weather you could find out.
Yeah, I think sometimes people forget how important it could be even on a sunny day with just wind and sun protection. It's really nice, and it looks really cool. Yeah. So that's the WM1. A couple things to note is that you can get it with a SportRx prescription insert. We put your prescription in this insert, and then the insert fits seamlessly inside the goggle. It's a much better setup than trying to wear glasses inside of goggles. And who knew you could see when you go skiing or snowboarding?
It's pretty important.
It's pretty amazing. And then this one also is available in an Asian fit.
It is, yes.
Yeah, so if you do need an Asian fit, there's a lot of Anons with Asian fit available as well. And then I think we should just talk about this goggle was nominated in the 2018 SportRx Awards for Best Goggle. So we believe in this thing. It's amazing.
We appreciate the support.
And I love that it's a women's specific goggle. That's pretty cool. So that's the WM1 from Anon. Any more questions, leave it down in the comment section. If this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel. Later.